Okay, y'all, we just got back from a long vacation, 13-hour road trip. So no one felt like going to the grocery store, so I ordered Instacart and it arrived. It was at the door when we got home. As you can see, my fridge was really bare. I had cleaned it out before we left. So I ordered some things to stock it back up. And this is how it turned out. I still need to get a few more things, but this is what we needed for right now. And I still have to stock up on my pantry, so that's going to be the next thing I need to do and get it back organized. So make sure you guys are subscribed and follow for more. I have a ton more organization videos and restock videos coming. And also, if you love cooking videos, I cook every single day. So stay around and stay tuned for much more. Thanks for watching.